Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you need to return an item to a vendor, or if you made an overpayment on a previous bill, you can create a vendor credit to track the money you will be getting back. To create a vendor credit, click the Create icon and then select Vendor Credit under the Vendors heading. This will open the Vendor Credit menu. The first thing you need to do is choose a vendor from the drop-down box at the top of the page. The mailing address field directly below the Choose a Vendor box will be populated with the address of the vendor you chose. To the right of the mailing address text box is a payment date field that will contain the current date. On the same line, at the right-hand side of the screen is a reference number text box where you can enter a reference number for the credit, if available. Next is the Account Details Split Line list. Here is where you will assign an account to which the vendor credit will be applied if you are not returning items or services. Most commonly, it will match the account you listed on the original bill. Note that the Item Details Split Line list is where you will list products or services that you are returning to a vendor for credit. Under the Item Details list is a memo text box where you can make a note about the vendor credit. Directly below the memo field is an attachment section where you can attach a file to the vendor credit. For example, a copy of the original purchase order. Any file or files you attach can be up to 25 megabytes in total. The bottom of the page contains the Cancel button, the Clear button, followed by the Make Recurring link. The last button is a drop-down button with the options Save and Close and Save and New. Note that the Make Recurring link will open the Recurring Vendor Credit menu. This menu would allow you to set the specific information about a recurring vendor credit. It is rare that you would need to create a recurring vendor credit.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.